Hi, I'm Peggy Sue Roberts from Riverside, California. I discovered that I had cancer in January of 2007. I had non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, 22 tumors, and I went through chemo. I didn't know about natural cures, and I went through chemo, and the first round, all my hair fell out. The second round, I almost died in the chair. And they told me they couldn't help me anymore, so they sent me home to die oncology in California. My husband found this clinic with Dr. Batista, and I started seeing him within just a week or two after the discovery of the clinic, and I got well. Those 22 tumors were completely gone. I made a mistake of eating some sugar products at Christmas one year that was given to me, candy, pies, that kind of thing, and the cancer came back. I came back to the clinic, and Dr. Batista put the cancer in remission, and this is the first part of September. The weekend I found out I was cancer-free from 2 tests that I had. So I'm a happy camper, and going from cancer to 1 to remission, and now I'm completely well. I would encourage you, whatever stage of cancer that you're in, please don't go through radiation and surgery and chemo until you have talked to Dr. Batista. He's a good man, a good doctor, and he will take you through any steps that he feels necessary to find the right combination of what you need to get rid of your cancer. And you'll be a healthier person for it. He gets people well, or he puts them in remission, and you will love coming to this clinic. It will be a wonderful experience for you.